Today, I just want to jump on here real quick and show you guys an overview of the scene creator for the coloring books camping edition that I made. It does come with full PLR reseller rights. So what that means is you can use these images to make coloring books that you can either resell to other PLR or to on your own PLR store or Etsy or KDP, anywhere that you wish to sell it at. Um, it's already included in this pack. And these are some of the scenes I have made. And then there's a little river scene for you guys to make. Cute little scenes with mountain scene. You can combine any of these pictures like you want to. And just really quick, when you do actually open up this file here, you will see, sorry, I had it and then it disappeared on me. This is actually take 3 or 4 on this video here. Seems like it's almost always that case, but anyway, hope you're having a wonderful day as I download this on my other screen that I know you cannot see at the moment. But I wanted to show you guys what you do get with this. So when you open this up, you'll see this file here. Of course, you have your Canva template, you have your PowerPoint, you have your Google Drive here. When you open up your Google Drive, you'll see the 154 PNGs go to download, start to download. Then once they do all download, well, not download, but fully, but show up on your screen there, you can go ahead and click the 154th one, holding down your shift button so that they all appear. So you can click on download. I already have these on my computer more than once. So you see you get that. You then have the PowerPoint that you get as well. And I've been playing around making some scenes, and then I noticed that my mouse was jiggling all over the screen. So I decided to go ahead and, of course, redo it because of that. Sorry, I was messing around in the last video. And so, anyway, we'll just leave him to be multitasking like that. You've got your little glamper, you've got your fire pit. I had brought in this element here, and I did send it back, so it looks like he's actually cooking it. Not send, send it back, send backwards. Oh, actually, I reverted what I had done. Make it look like he was holding it in his little hand there, like that. And so you've got the little river here. I brought in the fish, the little canoe, and then the little girl up here with her little map. You can have these kids in any direction or any item in PowerPoint that you want simply by reverting it like so. If you want her to have a twin, you're arguing about which way to go. But anyway, go this way. No, you go this way. And so anyway, you can even have little speech bubbles up here if you want them talking to. If you wanted to be doing a guided coloring book, you can do that. There's so many different things that you can do with this. You've got other kids that are actually copy her while we find the other ones that are roasting marshmallows. And then you've got the fire down here. You've got a little boy fishing and asleep there. The little boy with his little flag, little puppy dog. The puppy dog can go up here with everybody else. Just to show you how easy it is to make these scenes. I decided I was wasting a lot of time in one video, of course, trying to do it all from scratch. Or if you want his little paw to be in the river, be looking backwards at her. Make it look like he's actually looking at somebody there. If you don't want the fish there, you can not have the fish there. If you want to do a duplicate scene there, You just have the two of them. That looks super cute there. And then you grab him. And there's 1,000 different things that you can do. Maybe not clearly 1,000 different things, but there's a lot that you can do with these. I know that the personalized storybooks are a huge hit on Etsy, so you can even make personalized storybooks to sell. I'll show you that here in a minute. Have a scary bear. You can even do words on these cute little camp signs. Here, you can go insert text. I haven't actually tried it. I just thought about this a little bit ago. All right, so insert text box. If it doesn't work, I'm not going to do it. Redo the video again, but it should work. Yeah, I can't. Height. You can make it abstract groovy, something like that. I just wondered why they worded it, named it that. You can do it like that. Alright, something like that. You can add any kind of verbiage or you can leave it blank however you want to. You can make the scene bigger here. And then you can bring in whomever you want. If you want to bring the bear in, you can bring the bear in. Let's bring the bear into here. Before you do that, if you want to grab both and group. And then I'll be showing you guys different things that you can do with this set as well. I should have that hopefully uploaded later today, depending upon how long we're going to be gone later. That way the brain doesn't move on you. Bear's going, yep, I will go where that is at. Me go to campsite. Alright, something like that. You can have, she wasn't there at the beginning, I brought her in just to show other things that you can do. And we'll put him way over here. Look, Ma, there's a bear 1,000 miles away. We need to run. I am about tornadoes, quite literally. Put him up there and play peekaboo. You can even do that, but I'll keep quiet until I actually have it all set up to show you guys what the heck I'm talking about. Anyway, make your bear small. Make your scene however wide you want the scene. Ah, there you go. Now you could even bring in other woodland animals and make it a woodland animal coloring book, however you wish to do. And of course, there's the sun and the moon that we have that you can bring in there as well. But yeah, there's so many different things that you can do with this set here. It is just so flexible, and there's enough stuff here that you can make. Like I said, there's a gazillion different things that you can do with this here. Enough with the bear. Hello, Mr. Bear. There's a sun, which that one already has a sun. If you don't want the sun to have a face, you can hide the face just by doing a shape. And then say shape fill white, shape outline, no outline. There you go. And you have a sun without a face. And so, anywho, you've got all these trees, different suns and moons, and a plain little tent, more moons. Mosquitoes in a jar, in case you don't know what that is. Cute little birds would be flying around. Everything. And it keeps on going and going and going. And on that note, oh, and then of course you've got the frames that you can adjust and have anything that you want inside the frame. Doesn't even have to be camping. You can make it whatever you want it to be. If you have other little kids that you have the commercial use rights to, you can bring them in as well. Plop one down on a bike. Hopefully this time around the screen's not going to be jiggly for y'all. Yeah, you can bring a little kid down on a bike here. You can change that to a cute little puppy dog instead of a scary bear. But anyway, on that note, you guys, I hope you have a most wonderful day. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.